Want to track lateness, absences, or points? ADP's attendance module helps you manage policy compliance and spot trends. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This is often part of the time and attendance or HR management features. An administrator must first define your attendance policy, what counts as an occurrence, how many points for a tardy versus an absence, and the review periods. Then, you enable the tracking for specific employee groups. Supervisors can then record attendance events, which the system tallies against the policy. My crucial pro tip: automate where possible. Integrate attendance tracking with time clocks or badge swipes. An automatic tardy flag if someone clocks in 10 minutes late is more objective and consistent than manual supervisor entries, reducing disputes. Move from subjective management to data-driven policy enforcement. Do you use a points-based attendance system? How has it worked for your culture? For more guides on managing HR data, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.